Hey, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to buy something on Amazon. From logging in to finding the right product. It's super quick and simple. Also, just a quick tip. If you don't have Amazon Prime yet, I really recommend it. Honestly, it makes a big difference. You get super fast delivery, sometimes same day, access to movies, series, even music, plus free shipping and free returns on tons of items. You can try it completely free for 30 days, no commitment. The link to sign up for Amazon Prime is just below this video. And if you're on your phone and already have the Amazon app, you can simply scan the QR code on screen. It'll directly open the Amazon Prime sign-up page.
First, make sure you're signed into your Amazon account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one in less than a minute by clicking Sign In, then create your Amazon account. Once you're signed in, make sure your shipping address is correctly filled out. Go to Account and Lists and select your addresses. This ensures you're shown accurate delivery options. Now let's search for the product you want. For this example, I'm going to search for an iPhone 15 phone case. Type it in the search bar at the top and press enter. You'll now see a variety of results. The top listings are usually the most popular or highest rated. You can change the sorting order by selecting options like price, low to high, high to low, or best sellers. You can also check the number of reviews and the star rating below each product. This helps you find a good quality product. Once you find a product you like, click on it to open the product page. Make sure the details match what you're looking for. For example, that it's for the iPhone 15. And if there's a coupon available, tick the box to apply it and save money. You can also choose the color. Keep in mind that the price may change depending on the color selected. Now check the delivery details. Today is the 17th, and the estimated delivery date is the 22nd, so about 1 week. And since the product costs less than $35, shipping will not be free. It usually costs between $5 and $20, depending on your location. That's why I recommend Amazon Prime. What is Amazon Prime? It's a membership that makes shopping and entertainment easier and better. You get fast, free delivery, award-winning movies and shows, exclusive deals, and more. And the best part? You can try it free for 30 days. If you want to try Amazon Prime, you can use my affiliate link in the description below. It gives you access to the 30-day free trial. Now you can choose between add to cart if you want to shop for more items, or buy now if you're ready to place your order right away.